Angels are constantly keeping an eye on you and recognizing that you are at a turning point and that a big improvement in your relationships, profession, health, and wealth is imminent. If you're viewing this, prepare yourself for a miracle that will transform your life completely. Play today, try something new, and pretend that things are getting better and better. Make yourself smile and prepare to receive. Don't expect it to happen that way. Just know that you deserve it and that something amazing will continue to surprise you. Your route has been cleared, all obstacles have been eliminated, and you will only experience an unstoppable acceleration going forward. Now is the moment to begin receiving. Everything is coming together, and your manifestation is almost at your door. Warmly smile and welcome your dream inside. The cosmos is supporting you through thick and thin, like your cosmic friend giving you encouragement and a dash of hope that you're safe and destined for brighter days ahead. Your dreams are coming true much sooner than you believe. When you approach it as a vibration rather than as reality, the universe will react and your reality will change into something genuinely remarkable. Reflect the energy you wish to attract. A surge of abundance. Health and happiness are on the horizon. Prepare to embrace the wealth and happiness that lie ahead of you. A better future is just around the corner. God is telling you that today will bring victory to your family, victory in your finances, victory in your health, prosperity, blessings, love, growth, and victory. TM is giving you the grace to handle the difficulties you are facing, and things that used to worry you will no longer control you. Let my peace guard your heart and mind. Things will get better. I intend to intentionally bless you, elevate you, and quicken your aspirations. Prepare yourself, because I'm going to offer you something you didn't earn and put you in a position you couldn't have achieved on your own. Type 1111 to confirm that God is telling you that a new door is about to open for you today, and that the difficulties you are presently having are coming to an end. Stay faithful, stay in faith, and obey my orders, because I'm going to move you into a place of greater rewards. A sudden rush of benefits and possibilities is about to come your way. Have patience and believe in my timing. It's going to happen. Don't give up. Your breakthrough is coming. You've been through enough good things in life, and now you're going to get the miracle you've been praying for. I can do the impossible. I can create a situation where it seems impossible for me to affect your family, home, or health. Your money and faith today, TM is providing you the grace to handle the difficulties you're having. Things that used to worry you will no longer control you. Let my serenity protect your heart and mind. Things will improve. I will intentionally bless you, elevate you, quicken your dreams, give you what you didn't deserve, provide a path for you to remain motionless and know that I am God, and send you healing solutions. Answers. You are going to be promoted to the next level of your life, the next level in your career, the next level in your finances, and the next level in your relationship. I am doing something new in your life. You may be exhausted, discouraged, and frustrated, but don't give up. Your situation is about to change. Despite your mistakes, despite the failures and delays, I'm still going to bless you. I'm still going to heal you, and I'm still going to bring that dream to pass the pain, heartache questions, and sleepless nights. Miracles, angels, and blessings your way. It's time for you to grin again, because I'm going to open the windows of heaven and pour down everything you've been hoping for and praying for. Love, health, and prosperity are on the way. Remember that you are not alone in this. Allow me to assist you. My angels are with you. Just relax and have faith in me. You really need to become enthusiastic again, because I have incredible plans for you that are bigger than anything you could ever imagine or ask for. To confirm this, type 222. You'll chuckle once more. The best is yet to come. You're going to fall in love and trust once more. God is telling you that I will restore everything you have lost and that you will receive the miracle you have been praying for today. I can accomplish the seemingly impossible and create a way that will benefit your finances, home, family, faith, and health today with healing blessings and favor. I'm sending my angels ahead of you to foil the enemy's plans, and I've got you covered. You'll get there, and I'll bless you beyond measure. I'm going to solve your problem, so don't give up. The solutions are on the way. I'm giving you eternal peace, and even though you're feeling anxious, you'll get through this. The best is not yet here. I'm saying yes to your breakthrough, your desire, and your prayer. Suddenly, everything is still in order, and I'm going to provide a way for you. You must prepare yourself because your blessing will come sooner than you anticipate. All it takes is one call, one chance, and your life will change. Your life is about to change for the better. You've been through enough, and you're going to get the miracle you've been hoping for. I can accomplish the seemingly impossible. I'll bless your family, your finances, your health, and your family today. Type 3. 332 affirms this. Stop worrying. What God said to Joshua Asteris is what he is saying to you. You have someone battling for you, so have courage and strength. Joshua 1:9. Blessings are on the way. You will go from barely making it to having more than enough, and I'm going to open up supernatural doors for you. I'll talk to the right people about you, and you'll see unexpected blessings in your career, relationships, finances, and health. Ephesians 3:20, incredibly abundantly above and beyond favor and enhancing your life. Talk to me throughout the day and put on your armor. Because prayer is your first line of defense when the world awakens and starts to throw stress and anxiety at you. Not your last option. Establish your foundation on me. And no matter what happens today, have faith that I will get you through it. Better days are on the horizon, and you will pay off your debt and see an improvement in your health. You will pass the test and succeed in getting the job. You will meet the appropriate person and receive blessings. The anguish, tears, and restless nights are over. Type 555 to affirmations. God is telling you that I am working in your life today, and that no weapon that is created against you will succeed, and that every tongue that is raised against you will fail. Today is a new day, and I am going to do something new in your life. This week will be full of blessings, breakthroughs, and complete recoveries. By this point, what was intended to harm you will have been turned to your benefit. Type 777 to affirms this. God is saying to you today, I know you are secretly living in pain. You cry yourself to sleep every night, not wanting to bother anyone. You don't know what else to do. I know what is going on. I care, and I see all things. I'm already working on your behalf. Don't worry. I have you in the palm of my hand. You will come out of this, better, brighter, and stronger than ever before. I'm sending great change into your life. I have heard your prayers. I know your heart, and I know you want better. I am sending better and greater your way. You have endured much in your life. People have walked away from you, judging you. But it only matters what I say. You are stay on the path. I didn't create you to be perfect. I created you to be faithful. God is saying to you today, people may not recognize you yet. Your boss doesn't give you credit. Relatives discount you and think you don't have much to offer. You may be overlooked now, but the time is coming when you're going to be noticed. People are going to recognize your value, your gifts, your talents. I am going to cause you to stand out. You're going to go from being unnoticed to being in charge, from being not recognized to being the favorite. God is saying to you today, I know your heart is broken. I know it's difficult to move on, but know that I am close to the brokenhearted. I will bind and protect your wounds so you can heal. The healing process will take time, but as you come into my presence every day, you will have the strength to get up and walk into the love blessings and destiny I have in store for you. Pray with me, dear Lord. I come before your throne today, not to ask for anything, but to sincerely thank you for giving me life and my family, for my job, for all the food you provide for us, for your strength and health, and for providing us with a place to sleep. We give you all the glory and adoration for everything you do for us, Lord, and I am humbled by your grace and your unwavering love for me. Thank you for your traveling mercies and for being our shepherd through difficult times. We also want to thank you for saving us from our enemies' traps and from our own.